Today we will be taking Rubik's Cube apart to show you what's inside of Rubik's Cube. Piece by piece until there's nothing. And just to let you know, you can also take the pieces out and put this in it to make it go faster. It's every piece by piece. Okay, these are the centers. So this is how it looks inside the Rubik's Cube. Spin it. Yeah, they're spinning.
Let's put the orange up. It's not fun to put it back together.
So this is how our inside of Rubik's Cube is. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe.